very proud to bring Infobip to this region as exclusive partners. So we've been partnered with Infobip for a number of years now, and if we look back at how we first partnered with Infobip and to what we're doing now, the innovation has just accelerated massively. And that is because the way all of us as business leaders need to talk to our customers has changed, and it'll never go back to the way it was. So while that might seem daunting, we need to embrace it and take it head on as opposed to run away from it. And the pandemic definitely ignited this change in how people want to communicate with business. The good news is, though, that there's tech like Infobip that's always, if not 2 steps ahead of where the trends are going for how customers want to communicate with businesses. And that's what we're going to talk to you guys about today. So in my opinion, I think it's a really, really exciting time to work in the communications industry.
Back in 2019, we started moving stronger into digital communications and finding better ways to communicate with the customers. So what we did is we've realized that with SMS in particular, we had mass messages going out. We didn't have a proper email program in place, and we took steps to actually change that. Now, if you look at the using the Infobip platform, what we've been able to do is, and I'll start with the SMS side, we've been able to create a profile and segment that customer base. We've moved from this mass marketing SMS approach into, we have probably over 1,000 different segments that we hit on SMS now. Each one is tailored communication specific to that segment. We know who's opening the SMS messages. We know who's taking an action. We've integrated short links so that we can follow a click-through in from a SMS message. So we've refined the SMS side of things.
The one thing that we were able to change right away was our SMS provider. And that's when we started with Trend and Infobip. And immediately we were able to, as Srijata was talking about, start looking at trends, start having communication with people, start seeing who was opening, start adding short codes to see where the click-throughs were. And we found that the feedback, the interaction, the take-up was, as you said, above the industry standard. We still have SMS click-throughs on the order of 15 and 20%, which is unheard of almost. In fact, when we have members now, when they don't get an SMS, they're like, where's the SMS? Why am I not on the list? And it is in understanding the credit union environment where word of mouth will always be king. The presentation was fantastic, and I don't know how many people here will honestly say that they're going to use all of it. You know what I mean? It was intense, and there's a lot that's available, and when we get there, it's great to know that we have a partner who can get us there.